Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your home location to the Uber application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the account button down below on the right side corner, tap on settings in the middle of the screen and click on the first option within this section, which is add home. Here you can type in your address into the search bar at the top of the page. And as you can see, your home address has been set. If you want to change it, just come back to the same section anytime and edit or set your location on the map. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.